Welcome to my channel. Do you know why some people speak English with power, even when they use very simple words? It is not because they know every grammar rule. It is because they trust their voice. Keep watching, because today you will learn how to stop speaking with fear and start talking in English with strength. Chapter 1. Your English becomes strong when your mind becomes strong. Strong English does not begin with difficult words. It does not begin with grammar. It does not begin with an accent. Strong English begins inside your mind. It begins when you decide that your voice matters. Many learners know hundreds of words, but they stay silent. They wait for the perfect moment. They wait to feel ready. They wait until every sentence is correct. But that moment never comes. The truth is clear. You become ready by speaking. You become confident by trying. You become strong by using the English you know. Maybe you feel nervous when someone speaks English to you. Your heart beats fast. Your mind becomes empty. You know the answer, but the words do not come out. This does not mean you are weak. It only means you need practice. Fear grows when you stay silent, but courage grows when you speak. Even a sentence can break the wall of fear. Say, "I understand." Say, "Please say it again." Say, "I have a question." These are simple sentences, but when you say them, they become powerful. Never think that simple English is bad English. Clear English is strong English. Many beginners believe they must speak fast to sound fluent. This is not true. Speaking fast can make you more nervous. It can also make your words unclear. Strong speakers do not rush. They breathe, they think. Then they speak one idea at a time. Slow down and give your words space. When you speak, open your mouth clearly. Do not hide your voice. Do not speak so softly that nobody can hear you. Look forward, relax your shoulders, and finish your sentence. A calm voice shows confidence, even when the sentence is simple. You must also stop fighting your mistakes. A mistake is not your enemy. A mistake is your teacher. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Children make thousands of mistakes when they learn their first language, but they never stop. They keep listening. They keep copying. They keep speaking. That is why they improve. You must do the same. Do not say, "My English is bad." Say, "My English is improving." Do not say, "I cannot speak." Say, "I am learning to speak." Your words shape your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your actions. Now do a small practice with me. Sit or stand straight. Take a breath. Then say this sentence aloud. "My English is growing stronger every day." Say it again, but this time speak more clearly. Now say it one more time with confidence. Did you feel the difference? The sentence did not change, but your voice changed. This is how strong English begins. It begins with repetition. It begins with belief. It begins when you stop hiding and start using your voice. Here's a simple daily exercise. Choose 5 easy English sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. Pause the audio and repeat it 3 times. The first time, speak slowly. The second time, speak clearly. The third time, speak with confidence. Copy the rhythm and emotion of the speaker. Do this for 10 minutes every day. Your ears will become sharper. Your mouth will become more comfortable. Your voice will become stronger. Small practice may look weak, but when you repeat it daily, it creates a big change. Remember, you do not need to sound like another person. You do not need to copy someone's accent. Your goal is not to become someone else. Your goal is to express yourself clearly. Your accent tells your story. It shows where you come from and how far you have traveled. Never feel ashamed of it. Focus on clear words, correct meaning, and steady practice. Today, make one promise to yourself. Do not run away from English. Speak one sentence, then another. Let your voice shake if it must, but do not stay silent. Confidence is not the absence of fear. Confidence is speaking even when fear is present. Your English will not become strong in one day, but every brave sentence will take you closer. In the next chapter, you will learn a simple daily system that will turn this new courage into a powerful speaking habit. Chapter 2. Build a powerful English voice every day. Motivation can make you feel excited, but daily practice changes your life. If you want to talk in English strongly, you need a simple system. You do not need an expensive course, a perfect teacher, or a speaking partner. You only need a few minutes, a clear plan, and the courage to continue. The best speakers are not always the people who study the longest. They are often the people who practice a little every day. Small practice becomes a strong habit, and a strong habit creates confidence. Your daily system has 5 steps: listen, copy, change, speak, and review. First, listen to clear English for 2 or 3 minutes. Choose a short conversation that is easy to understand. Do not stop at every new word. Do not worry if you miss something. Listen to the voice. Notice how the speaker begins a sentence, where the speaker pauses, and which words sound stronger. Your ears must learn English before your mouth can speak it naturally. Careful listening gives your brain good English patterns. Second, copy 2 or 3 sentences from what you hear. Pause the audio and repeat each sentence. Try to copy the rhythm and feeling. This practice is called shadowing, but the name is not important. The action is important. Listen, pause, and repeat. At first, your tongue may feel slow. Some sounds may feel difficult. That is normal. Your mouth is learning a new movement. Repeat the sentence without shame. Every repetition makes your speech clearer, smoother, and stronger. Third, change one part of the sentence and make it your own. If the speaker says, "I walk to work every morning," you can say, "I study English every morning." If the sentence is, "My brother likes football," you can say, "My friend likes music." This step is powerful because you are not only copying English, you are creating English. You are teaching your brain how to use one pattern. Soon you will stop translating every word. Simple sentences will come to you more quickly. Fourth, speak alone for 1 full minute. Choose an easy topic, such as your family or daily routine. Start with short sentences. Do not try to impress anyone. Your goal is to continue. When you forget a word, do not stop. Use easier words. Explain the idea in another way. You can say, "I do not know the exact word, but I will explain." Strong speakers do not know every word. They know how to keep the conversation moving. Fifth, record your voice and listen to it. Many learners dislike hearing themselves, but this step can change everything. Do not judge your voice harshly. Listen like a kind teacher. Find one thing you did well. Maybe your voice was clear. Then find one small thing to improve. Perhaps you spoke too fast or missed a sound. Improve one thing at a time. You do not need to fix everything in one day. Real growth is steady and powerful. Now take a 7-day challenge. Every day, listen for 3 minutes. Repeat 5 sentences. Speak for 1 minute and record your voice. On the first day, you may feel nervous. On the third day, your mouth will feel more comfortable. On the seventh day, listen to your first recording and your latest recording. You may hear clearer words, longer sentences, and a calmer voice. That improvement will prove that daily action works. Never compare your first step with another person's 100th step. Every confident speaker was once a beginner. They forgot words, they made mistakes, they felt afraid. The difference is that they continued. You must continue too. Speak when your voice shakes. Practice when you feel slow. Keep going when progress feels small. Strong English is not knowing everything. It is using what you know with courage, clarity, and consistency. Now say aloud, I will speak English with courage and confidence. Write this sentence in the comments and begin your challenge today. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to speak English strongly. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in your voice. Thanks for watching this video.